Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to add products to Shopify from Aliexpress. Really easy to do. All you have to do is start off on your Shopify page right here. So just make sure you're logged in on your Shopify page right here. What you're going to do is you're going to have to get this tool called Oberlo. I'll have a link in the description over to how to get it. I recommend going on Google Chrome because you could use the extension. It's a lot easier to import stuff with Oberlo to Shopify with this extension. So if you're on Google Chrome, you want to go ahead and click on the link in the description. It'll bring you over to this website right here. It's just Chrome's web store. And you want to go ahead and add this to Chrome. As you can see, there's 600,000 users, so it's a very, very popular tool to use. I've used it myself a lot. Now, once you're done adding it to your Chrome browser, if you don't have an account on Oberlo, you want to click on sign up. But if you have one, you can go ahead and log in. So I'm just going to click on sign up, and I'll show you guys what you have to do quickly to sign up. So you want to click on sign up for free. You want to put your email here. So I'll go ahead and put one of my email addresses, and then click up sign up for free. And then you can go ahead and save that. And then you'll be created on Oberlo here. So now what you need to do is you need to create or connect to a store. So we're going to click on create or connect to a store. And then you can put, yes, I have a store. And then it's going to ask for your Shopify URL. So we want to go ahead and go back to our Shopify page and then just get this information right here before the .my Shopify. Click on that and click on copy. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to back to Oberlo and put this in and then click on connect. And then what this is going to do, it's going to bring us back over to Shopify, and we want to click on Install App. So this is going to let Oberlo access the data on our Shopify store. So we want to click on Install App, and then we'll just take a second to install the application. Once it's installed, you want to go ahead and put your store name here. So I'm just going to copy this right here and paste this down for my store name. And then you can just decide what you want to customize here. You can go through this for yourself. Every store is going to be different. But yeah, you want to adjust some of this stuff here. Once you're done adjusting the stuff, you want to click on Save Settings. Once that's saved, we can go over to Aliexpress. And then as we search for some products, let's just say, for example, I have a tech store here. So I'm just going to go to Consumer Electronics. And then if you're interested in any products here, you just want to click on the product. And then you'll see at the bottom right of our page here, we have this little Oberlo icon. If you're interested in adding this product, you just want to click on that icon. And what that's going to do is it's going to add it to your import list on Oberlo. So I'll just go ahead and find one more product really quickly that I want to add to my tech store. So I'll just click on the back button, or you can click on their personal products and go on their store and check out what they have if you're interested in their products. So I'll just go ahead and do that and see what else they have. I'll click this product, and then I'll go ahead and add this one to my import list as well, like this. Once you're done finding products and adding it to your import list, you can click on Open Import List. And it will bring you back over to Oberlo, and then you'll be on this import list right here. Now, to bring this over to your site, you just want to click on the import to store option. But what I normally do on here is I edit this stuff in here. You can edit this stuff after you import it under your product section on your Shopify webpage, but I like editing it here. So yeah, you could take out some of the random stuff that you don't want. So like I'll take out T5 for this watch, and I'll take out, let's just say, blood pressure measurement and stuff like that, because I'm going to add that stuff to the product description. And I just want to make it look as clean as I possibly can. So smartwatch body temperature fitness tracker watch looks very good over something like T5 smart body temperature fitness watch or whatever that says there. So this looks a lot more professional here. Now, if you have collections set up on your website, you can go ahead and put it in a certain collection. I don't right now, but if you did, you can go ahead and change that there. And if you have types, you want to go ahead and change that there. Now, tags is important because when someone searches something on your website, you want to go ahead and have tags so when it makes it easier for that product to show up if they switch. So I'm going to put in here watch. I'm going to put smartwatch. I'm going to put iPhone watch. Just stuff that people will search that has something to do with the product that you're selling will be good to put into the tags. But yeah, once that's done, you can go over to the next option here, which is description. Now, this is some of the hard data that it has on here. So I'm going to leave this because you're going to add more stuff to this after. If you go over to variants, this is going to be different colors that this product comes in. So this one comes specifically in blue, red, and black. And then you see the cost breakdown with the cost and the shipping. And this is where you can adjust the price as well. So as we look at the cost and the shipping being around $28, I can go here and adjust the price. And then it shows you the profit that you'll be making from that price. So say, for example, I want to change the price of all these items. I can just click on the change all prices up here and click on set new value. And I can click on $49.99 and click on apply. And then you'll see it'll change all the prices right here, so you don't have to do every one manually. So if there's a lot of variance, this does help a lot. And if you want to make it look like it was on a sale, you can go ahead to change all prices again, set new value, and then put the regular price, so $69, just say, for example. and then click apply, and it will show that it's on a $20 discount. And as you see, the profit per item is $21.69. So that's how you could set that stuff up there. And then if you go over to images, you could choose the images that you want to add. So there is some already checked here. This one right here is a very good first image because the background is white. It looks a lot cleaner. And then if you want to add more images to your product page through here, you can go ahead and just click on those ones, and it will add it to the product. So once you're done customizing all this stuff, you want to click on import to store. I'm not going to do this one because you guys already get the point. You just want to repeat and do the same things to this one right here to make it look better. But once this is done, you want to click on edit product on Shopify. And then it will bring you over to your Shopify store again, where you could edit the product and add a description and stuff like that. So yeah, that's how you add products from Oberlo and AliExpress over to your Shopify store. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to add products to your Shopify store. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.